Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can revolutionize your mornings and enhance your overall fitness journey. We'll be exploring the incredible benefits of drinking a protein shake every morning. So, make sure to stay tuned until the end because we have a special protein shake recipe to share with you. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Now, let's get started. Let's delve deeper into the multitude of benefits that come with incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine. By starting your day with this nutritious beverage, you can experience a wide range of advantages that positively impact your health and fitness goals. Convenient and time-saving. Mornings can often feel rushed, leaving little time for a wholesome breakfast. With a protein shake, you can prepare a nutritious meal in a matter of minutes. It eliminates the need for cooking and allows you to easily consume a balanced combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This convenience makes it an ideal choice for busy individuals or those who prefer a quick and hassle-free morning routine. Supports muscle growth and repair. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles undergo microscopic damage. By consuming a protein shake in the morning, you provide your body with a readily available source of high-quality protein. This aids in kickstarting the muscle recovery process, repairing damaged muscle fibers, and promoting their growth. Regular consumption of protein shakes can contribute to developing lean muscle mass, enhancing strength, and improving overall body composition. Boosts metabolism and weight management. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates or fats, meaning your body expends more energy to digest and process it. By incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine, you stimulate your metabolism early in the day. This boost in metabolism can have a positive impact on weight management and fat loss goals. Additionally, protein-rich breakfasts tend to increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking and overeating throughout the day. Enhances energy and focus. Protein plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters in the brain. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. By consuming a protein shake in the morning, you provide your brain with the necessary amino acids to enhance energy levels and mental performance. This can lead to improved productivity, sharper focus, and enhanced cognitive abilities throughout the day. Supports nutrient absorption. Protein shakes offer a versatile platform to incorporate various nutrient-dense ingredients. By adding fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and superfoods to your protein shake, you enhance its nutritional value and support optimal nutrient absorption. These additions provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. By consuming a protein shake with a diverse range of nutrients, you can ensure that your body efficiently absorbs and utilizes these essential elements. Convenient post-workout nutrition. If you engage in regular exercise, consuming a protein shake in the morning can be especially beneficial. After a workout, your body requires protein to initiate the muscle repair process. By having a protein shake after your morning workout, you provide your muscles with the necessary nutrients to recover and grow. It's a convenient and efficient way to replenish your energy stores and promote muscle recovery without the need for extensive meal preparation. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Here's a simple and delicious protein shake recipe that you can enjoy every morning. Ingredients: 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, handful of spinach or kale. Optional, a dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Instructions: add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend on high until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This protein shake recipe is not only packed with muscle-building protein but also contains essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the fruits and vegetables. It's a tasty and nutritious way to kickstart your mornings and fuel your body for the day ahead. So, there you have it. The benefits of incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine are extensive. From supporting muscle growth and repair, boosting metabolism and weight management, enhancing energy and focus, to promoting nutrient absorption, the advantages are truly remarkable. If you found this information valuable, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and fitness related content. We appreciate your support. And remember to try out the protein shake recipe we shared earlier and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier and more energized start to your mornings with a protein shake. Stay committed to your fitness journey, prioritize your well-being, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, feel free to leave them in the comments section. We value your feedback. And as always, stay motivated, stay dedicated, and have a fantastic day.